Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming device compatibility and account documents. Check your phone supports the carrier's 5G bands and is unlocked if switching networks. Next, decide between eSIM or physical SIM. eSIM is faster to activate. Physical SIM is simple to swap. Make sure you have valid ID, proof of address, and a payment method. Once that's ready, pick a 5G-capable plan from your carrier, because plan selection controls access and speed. You proceed by ordering the SIM or eSIM. Online orders often give an activation code, while in-store staff can help install a physical SIM. Once you have the SIM or QR, insert the physical card into the correct tray or scan the eSIM QR as instructed. This triggers carrier provisioning. After activation prompts complete, set the carrier APN if needed, enable 5G in network settings, and restart the phone to finalize the connection. You finish by verifying 5G service. Run a speed test and confirm the 5G icon and appropriate band and settings, because signal alone doesn't guarantee true 5G speed. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode, reboot, and reselect your network. Then update carrier settings or the phone OS, since outdated settings block provisioning. If problems persist, request a replacement SIM or contact carrier support. Have your device model and account details ready to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.